In this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT-5 features and access. Let's get started. I will begin by clicking on the Google search bar and typing in, how to access GPT-5 for free. After pressing enter, I'll review the search results and scroll down to explore the official methods and alternative coding options mentioned, such as using Cursor AI. After reading through the detailed guide on accessing GPT-5, I will open a new tab and go directly to chatgpt.com. Next, I'll hover over the ChatGPT menu to see the drop-down list and check out the available versions, confirming my current plan. After that, I will click on the profile icon in the bottom left corner and navigate to Upgrade Plan to review the pricing and features of the different subscription models, including the Go, Plus, and Pro plans. This helps clarify how to access the advanced features of ChatGPT-5. Once I've finished checking the plans, I'll return to the main chat interface. I will click on the input box and ask ChatGPT a direct question to verify the version I am using by typing, "Am I using ChatGPT-5?" I'll then hit enter to submit the prompt. The model will respond, and I'll confirm that I am using a version within the ChatGPT-5 family. I will acknowledge its response by typing, "OK," in the message bar and hitting enter again. The assistant will then follow up with additional information about testing the limits of the new model. For the next part of this tutorial, I want to test one of the powerful features of ChatGPT-5, which is image generation. I will click on the Ask Anything box, paste the copied prompt, which describes a cinematic photo of a samurai standing in the rain at night under neon lights, and then click the Send Prompt button. The interface will show a loading animation with text updates tracking the image creation process from sketching it out, making the first draft, setting the scene, polishing details, and finishing up. After a brief wait, a highly realistic image matching the prompt will be generated on screen. I can click on the image to view it in full screen and check out the details. To close the full view, I'll simply click the X button in the upper left corner. Now, let's try generating another type of image using a different prompt. Next, I will type again a prompt which describes generating a beautiful tropical island with white sand beaches, turquoise water, palm trees, and clear skies. Once I hit enter, just like before, the system will display sequential status updates as it constructs the visual. Once completed, a vibrant image of a tropical beach paradise with palms will appear. I can click on it again to open the large image preview and appreciate the high-quality results produced by ChatGPT-5's advanced features. Finally, I will close the preview window, and that concludes our walkthrough on how to use and access these latest features. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.